Hi guys, my name is John Harwood, and this is going to be a little demo on how to use ACD Labs ChemSketch, which is a program that you're going to have to use if you're a student in organic chemistry to draw out organic compounds. We're going to do the demo today by creating the hydrolysis of ethyl benzoate reaction that you can see here. We're just pretty much here using hydrochloric acid to force some hydrogen atoms onto this ethyl benzoate right here so that it splits off and makes an ethanol group. So we're going to start off by making that benzene ring. Over here on this right side we have a bunch of presets, so we can just really quickly make a benzene ring by clicking it and bringing it over here. Next we have to make this carbon and the two oxygens coming off of it. The one on the left has a double bond. So we're going to go ahead and click carbon here on this left side. Click it in. We're going to click these two oxygen molecules in here, and then you can create the bond between them by clicking any of these above here. There are different ways to create the bonds, but the normal bond way is the easiest. And we're going to click the carbons that we want to make bonds with and then drag them over to where we want the bond to go to. In order to make this one a double bond, all we have to do is click it one more time. And now we just need to make these other two carbons here on the end of the chain. So we can click a carbon in, and go ahead and connect them. And now we can click this button up here, these red and white arrows right here that say clean structure. That's what's going to make it look all pretty. Now we can draw the reaction arrow in. This button right here is the reaction arrow. We're going to draw an arrow in, and then we can click the label button to click on this arrow and label it. In this reaction we are using sodium hydroxide. As a solvent we're using ethylene glycol, and we are adding heat, which is what the triangle is. In the second phase we are using hydrochloric acid. Okay, so that looks all pretty now. We can go ahead and clean it up again, but it's not going to do anything this time because it's already cleaned. Okay, so the next molecule that we're going to make is benzoic acid, which is the same thing but without these two carbons on the end of this oxygen chain up here. So let's go ahead and make that. Start with the benzene ring. Click the carbon then. Put the two oxygens in. Link them. Go ahead and make this one a double bond again. And we already got the OH on there. So then we're going to add a reaction plus sign in because this has two products. And now we're going to make ethanol. Ethanol is a very simple alcohol. So we're going to make two carbons right here, and we're going to make it in the oxygen group right here, and go ahead and connect them again. And we can clean it up one last time. And there you have it. That is the hydrolysis of ethyl benzoate that we just made using ChemSketch.